Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that impact everything from digestion to immunity. But is your microbiome balanced or out of sync? Stay tuned to find out how to restore it for better health. To truly appreciate the importance of gut health, it's essential to understand the role of the microbiome in maintaining our well-being. The gut is often referred to as the second brain, due to its significant influence on various bodily functions. This vast ecosystem of microorganisms actively participates in digestion, helping to break down food, absorb nutrients, and protect against harmful bacteria and infections. A balanced microbiome not only supports digestion, but also strengthens the immune system and impacts mood and mental health. When the microbiome is out of balance, it can lead to digestive discomfort, weakened immunity, and conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, and autoimmune diseases. The gut microbiome is vital in breaking down complex carbohydrates and fibers that our bodies cannot digest alone. These microbes ferment the fibers, producing short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs, such as acetate, butyrate, and propionate. These SCFAs are crucial for maintaining the health of the gut lining, reducing inflammation, and promoting a balanced immune response. Furthermore, the microbiome helps protect against harmful pathogens by crowding them out, maintaining a balance between beneficial and harmful bacteria. In essence, the diversity and composition of the gut microbiome are integral to digestive health and overall well-being, influencing metabolism, immunity, and even mental health. Nurturing this microbial community is essential for maintaining health. As we explore the complexities of gut health, it's important to recognize the signs that indicate an imbalance of the microbiome, also known as dysbiosis. When the delicate balance of beneficial and harmful microbes is disrupted, it can have far-reaching effects on the body, manifesting in a variety of symptoms. One of the most common indicators of an imbalanced microbiome is digestive issues. If you experience persistent bloating, excessive gas, diarrhea, or constipation, it may be a sign that your gut is struggling to maintain a healthy microbial balance. These symptoms are often caused by an overgrowth of harmful bacteria or a lack of beneficial microbes, which can interfere with the proper digestion and absorption of nutrients. In some cases, this imbalance may even lead to conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, or inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Another sign of an imbalanced microbiome is weakened immunity. A large portion of your immune system resides in your gut, and when the microbiome is disrupted, it can compromise your body's ability to defend itself against infections. Frequent colds, infections, or illnesses that seem to linger can be a red flag that your gut is not functioning optimally. Since the gut microbiome plays a crucial role in training and regulating the immune system, any disruption can impair immune responses, making it harder for your body to recognize and fight off harmful invaders. Skin conditions like eczema, acne, and rosacea have also been linked to gut dysbiosis. The gut and skin are closely connected through what's known as the gut-skin axis. An imbalance in the microbiome can lead to inflammation, which may manifest on the skin as acne, rashes, or other conditions. Research has shown that certain strains of bacteria in the gut can influence the development of skin conditions, indicating the vital role the gut plays in maintaining clear, healthy skin. Emerging research has also uncovered a fascinating connection between gut health and mental well-being. The gut has a direct influence on mood and cognitive function. An imbalanced microbiome can affect the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which is essential for regulating mood. This can lead to symptoms of anxiety, depression, or even cognitive disorders. The bidirectional communication between the gut and the brain, known as the gut-brain axis, plays a pivotal role in mental health, which is why a dysbiotic gut can contribute to feelings of stress, anxiety, and depression. Recognizing these signs of an imbalanced microbiome is the first step toward addressing and improving gut health. Several lifestyle choices and environmental factors play a significant role in influencing the composition and function of the gut microbiota. One of the most influential factors is diet. A diet high in processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats can negatively impact gut health by encouraging the growth of harmful bacteria. On the other hand, a fiber-rich diet filled with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides prebiotics that nourish beneficial microbes. A lack of fiber in the diet can lead to a reduction in the diversity of the gut microbiome, leaving it vulnerable to imbalances. Research has shown that diets rich in animal proteins and low in fiber are linked to a reduced presence of beneficial microbes, which can impair digestion and immune function. Another key factor that can disrupt the microbiome is the overuse of antibiotics. While antibiotics are essential for treating bacterial infections, their frequent or unnecessary use can harm the balance of gut bacteria. Antibiotics are designed to target harmful bacteria, but they can also wipe out beneficial bacteria, leaving the gut more susceptible to pathogenic microbes. This disruption can result in digestive issues, weakened immunity, and an increased risk of conditions like antibiotic-associated diarrhea. It's important to use antibiotics only when prescribed and to complete the full course as directed to minimize potential harm to the gut microbiome. Stress is another major contributor to microbiome imbalance. Chronic stress has been linked to changes in gut microbiota composition, often resulting in an overgrowth of harmful bacteria and a decrease in beneficial ones. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that can alter the gut environment, leading to inflammation and impaired digestion. In addition, stress can affect gut motility, leading to symptoms such as bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. The gut-brain axis underscores how mental health can impact digestive function. Lastly, irregular sleep patterns can also affect the gut microbiome. The gut exhibits diurnal rhythms, meaning that its microbiota changes throughout the day in sync with the body's circadian cycle. Disruptions to sleep patterns, such as those caused by shift work or poor sleep hygiene, can interfere with these rhythms, leading to imbalances in the gut microbiota. A lack of quality sleep has been associated with an overgrowth of harmful bacteria and a decrease in beneficial microbes, further exacerbating digestive issues and potentially contributing to metabolic disturbances. Now let's talk about the strategies to restore and maintain a balanced gut microbiome that support the growth of beneficial microbes. One of the most important dietary adjustments is increasing fiber intake. Fiber is a type of prebiotic that serves as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains provides a variety of fibers that nourish the microbiome and promote a diverse array of healthy microbes. Research has shown that a fiber-rich diet can increase the abundance of beneficial bacteria such as bifidobacteria and lactobacilli, which are linked to improved digestive health and reduced inflammation. In addition to fiber, incorporating fermented foods into your diet is another effective strategy. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha are rich in probiotics, live beneficial bacteria that can directly populate the gut and help restore microbial balance. These foods help enhance gut diversity and improve digestive functions. The probiotics in fermented foods can also help maintain a healthy immune system and protect against harmful pathogens. While it's ideal to get probiotics from whole foods, probiotic supplements can be an option when dietary intake is insufficient. On the other hand, it's crucial to limit processed foods, particularly those high in sugar and unhealthy fats. Processed foods can promote the growth of harmful bacteria in the gut, leading to imbalances that may result in digestive issues, inflammation, and a weakened immune response. High-sugar diets, for example, have been shown to foster the growth of pathogenic microbes, such as Candida and Clostridia, which can disrupt gut function and contribute to conditions like bloating and diarrhea. A whole food, minimally processed diet can help maintain a healthy microbiome by fostering beneficial bacteria and limiting the growth of harmful pathogens. While dietary changes are key, probiotic and prebiotic supplements can also be helpful, especially when it's challenging to meet dietary needs. Probiotic supplements introduce beneficial bacteria to the gut, while prebiotic supplements provide the necessary nutrients for these bacteria to thrive. However, It's important to choose supplements that contain high colony forming units, or CFUs, to ensure the probiotics are potent enough to have a beneficial impact. Additionally, it's best to select supplements with low sugar content, as sugar can feed harmful bacteria and counteract the benefits of probiotics. In addition, stress management plays a critical role in maintaining gut health. Chronic stress can lead to imbalances in the gut microbiota, so engaging in regular physical activity, practicing mindfulness, and ensuring adequate sleep are essential strategies. Physical exercise has been shown to increase microbial diversity and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation, can reduce the effects of stress on the gut-brain axis, helping to restore balance in the gut microbiome. Ensuring sufficient sleep is equally important, as irregular sleep patterns can disrupt the natural rhythms of the gut and impair microbial function. Finally, antibiotic stewardship is essential in preserving the health of the gut microbiome. Antibiotics are invaluable tools in treating bacterial infections, but their overuse or misuse can lead to the destruction of beneficial bacteria. When prescribed antibiotics, it's crucial to follow the healthcare provider's instructions and complete the full course of treatment. This helps to minimize the disruption of the microbiome while ensuring the infection is fully treated. As we wrap up, achieving and maintaining a balanced gut microbiome is crucial for overall health and well-being. Remember, gut health is not just about digestion. It's interconnected with many aspects of your well-being, including mental health, immune function, and even skin appearance. By nurturing your gut through healthy habits, you're investing in a healthier, more vibrant you. Small positive changes today can lead to significant improvements in the long run. Taking care of your gut is a step towards better health and vitality. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on improving your health and well-being. See you in the next one.